Alright, so in this video I'm gonna show you how to rotate your hero without actually moving in Dota 2, and this method is actually way cleaner and more controlled. So first let me show you what usually happens. As you guys can see, when I right click to rotate my hero, the body also moves a little bit, and we don't want that to happen, because even that small movement can mess up your positioning, especially in lane or when you're trying to stay hidden. So here's the fix. What you want to do is go into your settings, then look for something called directional move. Now bind this to any key you like. Personally, I like to use S or sometimes space, but you can use whatever feels comfortable. Press and hold the directional move key. So in my case, I'm holding S, and then use your right click to rotate your hero. And as you can see now, my hero is rotating but not moving at all. So the way I do it is I hold the key and then just drag or spam right click to adjust the direction smoothly. After a little practice, this feels supernatural. This is really useful for things like holding your position in lane baiting enemies, or just having better control over your hero. So yeah, that's the trick.